Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have an American 5260. This was lent to me by Padlock, and as you can see, a very long shackle on it. It is quite old, you can tell partly by the text on there and also by that. I think that was March 1992 was the manufacture date, so surprisingly good condition for the age of it. There's the key bitting, not too bad, and does all work nicely, or it did. The shackle just seems a little bit sticky, it doesn't automatically pop out, it needs a little tug, but apart from that, all quite nice. So let's get the vise in here. Stick it in there. So I've got Mad Bob's 1.2, Sparrow's Deep SS Dev hook. Make sure we're focused. Yeah. And let's give this one a go. So nothing on 1, 2 solid, 3s, 4, right, we've got to click on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Right, there was one click on 4. And 5. Nothing on 1. 2 still solid. 3 we got to click that time. 4 solid. 5 is solid. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, click on 5, nothing on 1, 2 still solid, 3 we got to click, and very slight feedback through the core on the tension wrench then. Nothing on the rest. 1 is nail binding. And there we go. We are open. So let's get this vise out of the way. Get the pinning tray in. Get the light adjusted. Let's have a look, see what we've got inside here. So we should have the normal screw. There we go. That's all that. And no bypass wafer on this one. So we have the clip, we've got the key, so it doesn't matter if we lock it. Get the clip round to there. Push it off that way. Stick the key in. Want to turn it that way. Get the follower. And there we go, we are only pinned for 5. So number 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, and 5 is standard. I think it's probably the first time I've come across an American without serrated pins in the bottom. See what we've got up here. Right, number 1. We have a standard. Number 2, standard. Number 3, standard. Number 4 is standard. And number 5 is standard. Can't see anything in there. Core looks all as you would expect it, especially with all the pins being standard, but that does seem quite unusual. I don't think I've ever come across an American padlock that has just got completely standard pins in it. But there we go, that's a old 1992 5260. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.